It is the heavyweight showdown that we have all been unarguably waiting for here in the PFF Women's Cup 2024, brought to you by Coca-Cola Philippines, the standard, so to speak, in Philippine women's domestic club football. Kaya FC Iloilo going up against an upstart challenger, Stallion Laguna FC. Meanwhile, Sophia Harrison, siya ang nagpapatrol noong left back naman para sa Stallion. Ang magandang as that did not ng scoring opportunity dito. Long ball, Kaya's way. Flag stays down. Bores shoots it on the first touch. Kanilang attacking third. Fields kontra De Los Reyes. Fields quick turn. Tutulong si Jazzy. Fields threads that needle into the area. It's alive and it's wide and out for her. They send it straight into the box. It's a scramble. The shot is above and out. It will remain with Stallion. Immediately trying to target Jamaya Fields. Tatlong nakapalibot. Jamaya Fields. Fields shoots it and it's denied by Palacios. First legitimate attempt for Stallion, and it's Chandler Blue McDaniel set to deliver. It's an outswinger. Has some good height here. That one takes a bounce. Fields, it's wide and out. Yung mga nakaraang iteration ng Pilipinas, mga international tournaments nila. This one, O'Brien poked away once more. Palacios will keep the scoreline intact for now. In Palacios. Rodriguez suddenly in some open space here. Changing direction, Rodriguez. Then finally, someone else bothers her. Baba agad ang depensa ng Stallion rito, just to try and bother the line of sight. It's Castañeda into the box. A header, second touch. Bores. Chandler. Kadag sends it to the left instead. The header is wide. Bernal, who also played for Manila Digger. It's a scramble for possession here. A cross. Ooh, and that one so close. Galing naman sa tira ng Stallion, kaya po pwedeng kunin. Kadag. Cisneros trying to control. Sends it to Onrubia. Contra Harrison, the shot. Pretty much an extended stoppage period here. Fields. Susubok. Fields. Oh, it's in! Jamaya Fields at the death! Stallion Laguna FC, they score! And that's definitely heartbreak here for Kaya. Fields, ang daming iniwasan, and then just a rocket of a shot there. Hindi naabot ni Palacios, and it's in, it's gone! Jamaya Fields in +7, and that's the confirmation. Stallion Laguna stun Kaya, and they will end up with the #1 seed.